two cities are 150 km apart, electric power is sent from one city to another city through copper wires. The fall of potential per kilometer is 8 volts and the average resistance per kilometer is 0.5 ohms. The power loss in the wire is, okay, what is the power loss? We need to find here. Two different cities, we need to transfer from power from one station to another city with 150 kilometers apart. Then we know that the voltage drop is calculated as voltage drop is, that is 150 kilometers into per kilometer is 8. Then we will get that is equal to V, voltage drop. And the total resistance of the wire, then the R is equal to, that is 0.5 into 150. Then the power loss is equal to V square divided by R. Then V square is nothing but 150 into 8 divided whole square into R is 150 into 0.5. By simplifying, we get the value 19.2 kilowatt. 19.2 kilowatt. Option B is the right answer.